Hi parents, this is one of our Schoology Common Practices, which focuses on the calendar. There's 3 points that I will emphasize in this video. The first is learn about the overview of how to navigate the Schoology calendar. The second one, a reminder to you, in the student videos, your child has learned how to add an event to the calendar and why this might be utilized, academic and personal, and how to color code the calendar. And then the third one is by utilizing the calendar in Schoology, in particular through the web browser, students can use it as a check-in space to plan their day. It will be the central calendar for coursework. We're going to start at the page where, as a parent, you would be logged into Schoology. And what I'd like you to do is to notice that when your name is at the top in the upper right-hand corner, you probably won't see many upcoming events or assignments. And so what we need to do is parents will want to view the calendar from the child's view or from their account. And so underneath the parent's name, you would choose your student. You'll notice that on the right-hand side, there are quite a few things that come up. One is obviously recent grades, so things that have been recently graded and are in the grade book, any overdue submissions, and then in particular that we're going to focus on would be these upcoming things. And so we have events, and so this would be a personal event, things that your student would perhaps add to their calendar, and that's something they learned. So for example, first day of school. A description was to please remember to bring my face cover. So just something that they thought would be important for that first day. We also have assignments, and the assignments would be things that are put on the calendar by the teacher. So for example, this icon, which is a symbol for an assignment, if we tap on that, this is from Spanish, and this is called First Day Walk Around. And so this would be all the details for that particular assignment, along with any documents. So this would be a link to the PDF that the student needs for this particular assignment. Another assignment that we see in here is these two bubbles, and that's an example of a Schoology discussion. And so this one, climate change survey. So you would find the directions along with actually comments that would be made by your child, but not others. And so as you can see, having your student's name up really gives you a pretty good idea, a good picture of what things are due throughout the week. If you'd like to see separate courses, what you can do is tap on courses, which is kind of in the upper left corner up here. And then we can choose any course that your child is enrolled in and tap on it. And then you can see the specific assignments and events for this course also in the upcoming, which is on the left, which is on the right-hand side. And again, we can tap on any of these to get those details. To see a calendar view, all that you have to do is tap on the calendar icon, which is just left of your child's profile picture. And so in the upper right corner, just to the left, is the calendar icon. And I'm going to switch this to September. And you will notice that the same assignments and events are in a calendar. Again, to see specific details about an assignment or event, just tap on it. And so if we look at, let's look at Tackling World Issues, Article and Thoughts. We'll try one other. Maybe this climate change. Let's do climate change survey. And again, this is that discussion. If you want to look at any events that your child has added, for example, return signed Spanish syllabus on the 21st. That was something that that your child would have put or added on to the calendar as a reminder to do that. Again, if teachers included links or other materials in the assignment, these will also show up in these details when you click on the specific assignment. Know too that your child can color code the calendar while in the web browser. However, a parent's account does not show this. And so as we look at this calendar like we are in a parent's account, everything is the same color, but if you were to look on your child's calendar and if it was color coded, you would see each course with a different color. But if you look down here also, just behind my picture is blue, and that is personal, like this one, and like first day of school. Any school things that would be assigned would be in purple. Anything from groups that your child is involved in would be in green. And then the last color, courses, and that's the color of everything else. And that means it's coming from one of your child's teachers that he or she has in their course. Thank you for supporting your child as they utilize the calendar in Schoology. In particular, through the web browser, students can use it as a check-in space to plan their day and week.